Grindr phone number used to many times. 1. Purchase a new number from DatingZest. First, we should purchase a new number from DatingZest. So go on DatingZestShop and purchase a new number. Press Purchase Now. Write your billing details information. Write your credit card information. Press Place Order. 2. Verify your account. Get the number and copy the number from DatingZest. Go on Grindr and paste the number. Grindr will send you a code on DatingZest. So, go on DatingZest and copy the code. Paste the code on Grindr. After you paste the code, your account will be verified.